AB calculus product rule plus chain rule problem. In a recent AB calculus test, we had this problem as the opening problem on that test. The problem is, if f of x equals 3x times the square root of quantity 2x plus 1, what is f prime of 4? And there are 5 answer choices, A through E. If you had a graphing calculator, you could easily find the slope of the function where x equals 4 to get the correct answer. But unfortunately, this is the non-calculator portion of the test, but we'll get along just fine without it. What we'll start out with is the product rule, because we're trying to differentiate the product of 3x and the square root of quantity 2x plus 1. For finding the derivative of a product, we have d dx of u times v equals u times dv dx plus v times du dx. In this format, the u will be 3x and the v the square root of quantity 2x plus 1. So f prime of x is equal to 3 times the derivative of the square root of quantity 2x plus 1 plus the square root of quantity 2x plus 1 times the derivative of 3x. The derivative of 3x is easy, it's just 3. But it's this one, the derivative of the square root of quantity 2x plus 1, that takes something extra. And for this, we'll use the chain rule. In order to differentiate, I'll change the square root of quantity 2x plus 1 from its current radical form into exponential form, which is quantity 2x plus 1 to the power of 1/2. And using the chain rule, the derivative of quantity 2x plus 1 to the power of 1/2 becomes 1/2 times quantity 2x plus 1 to the power of negative 1/2 times the derivative of 2x, which is 2. And that's using the power rule. That 1/2 exponent, using the power rule, goes in front as a coefficient, and you subtract 1 from that 1/2, so it makes it to the power of negative 1/2. The 2 over 2 cancel each other to equal 1, so this gives us 1 over the square root of quantity 2x plus 1. Putting it all together, we have f prime of x equals 3x over the square root of quantity 2x plus 1 plus 3 times the square root of quantity 2x plus 1. And substituting 4, f prime of 4 equals 3 times 4 over the square root of quantity 2 times 4 plus 1 plus 3 times the square root of quantity 2 times 4 plus 1, which simplifies to 4 times 3 over 3 plus 3 times 3. 3 over 3 cancel to equal 1, and we're left with f prime of 4 equals 13. And here we see 13, our answer D. So we circle our correct answer D. This has been AB Calculus Product Rule plus Chain Rule Problem. Thanks for viewing.